Dear students, welcome back. So I'm back with one more video on purchase of installment system. So under installment purchase system, so I'm here with illustration number 4. So let us look at the problem. Mr. Shivraj purchased a van under installment system from Hindustan Motors on 1/1/2015. The terms of agreement were, so first one, down payment on taking delivery, rupees 73,400 rupees. How much is the down payment? 73,400. Balance payment in 3 equal annual installment of rupees 79,860. Each installment will be 79,860. So you should remember this point. Point number 3, vendor charged interest at 10% per annum. Ascertain cash price of the van and prepare Mr. Shivraj account and interest suspense account in the books of the vendor. So here he has asked Shivraj account and interest suspense account to be prepared in the books of vendor. Okay, so here the details has been given, down payment he has given, and actual annual installment he has given. So one is 73,400, 79,860. So that means here in this problem he has not given the cash price. Clear? So that means here we are supposed to calculate cash price as well as interest. Both we are supposed to calculate. Okay, so let us calculate it. So working note, calculation of the cash price of the van. So what is the cash price of the van? So let us calculate the cash price of the van. So take down, open the table. So that is with 4 column. Here installment in rupees, interest calculation, and net installment excluding interest. So here we always do a reverse calculation. So that I have told many times. So to find out the interest and also we always start with the reverse order. So 31/12/2017. Why 17? Because he said 3 equal annual installment of rupees 79,860. So we have bought the van in 2015. So 2016 and 2017 is the third year. Okay, try to understand. 2015 is the first year, the year we bought. 2016 is the second year. 2017 is the third year. So that is why I am considering 2017. 31/12/2017. So installment in rupees 79,860. 79,860. So interest calculation 79,860 into 10 divided by 110. So why this 110? So remember the formula always, that is percentage divided by 100 plus percentage. So percentage is 10%. So 10 divided by 110. So that comes to 7,260. If you calculate 79,860 into 10 divided by 110, so you're going to get the interest amount as 7,260 rupees. So now find out the net installment money or amount which excludes the interest. So 79,860 minus 7,260. So the net installment paid is 72,600 rupees. Net installment paid how much? 72,600 rupees. So next year, 31/12/2016. So how much? 79,860 plus net installment in the third year 72,600. So that is equals 1,52,460. 1,52,460 into 10 divided by 110. So that comes to interest 13,860. How much is the interest? 13,860. So 1,52,460 minus 13,860. So that comes to 1,38,600 is the net installment money paid. So net installment money paid is 1,38,600. So next is 31/12/2015. 79,860 plus previous year net installment amount 1,38,600. So that comes to 2,18,460. 2,18,460 into 10 divided by 110. So that comes to 19,860. 19,860. So now go back to the net installment calculation. So 2,18,460 minus 19,860. So net installment money paid is 1,98,600. So now we got the first year net installment money pending, that is 1,98,600. Okay, so now we are supposed to calculate a cash price of the machinery because we know the interest now. So let us calculate the cash price. So first year net installment excluding interest plus down payment. So 1,98,600 plus 73,400. So that is equals 2,72,000 as a cash price. So how much is the cash price? 2,72,000. How do you got? So net installment excluding interest, that is first year balance, plus down payment 73,400. So next let us calculate interest suspense account. So interest suspense account equals, so first year interest that is 7,260 plus second year interest 13,860 plus third year interest 19,860. So when you add all the 3 years of interest, so you're going to get 40,980 rupees. 40,980 rupees which we are going to transfer to interest suspense account. So this is the calculation part. So now let us open a journal and ledger books. So which is very easy and very simple to solve. Once we are done with the working note, if you are perfect with the working note, preparation of ledger account is always easy. Okay, so this account we always start from the debit part. So that is sales amount and interest suspense account we will consider. So open Mr. Shivraj account. Mr. Shivraj account with 6 column, date, particulars, rupees, date, particulars, rupees. So on the debit side 1/1/2015 to sales account. So what is the sales value of the machine? 2,72,000. Then 31st/12/2015 to interest suspense account. So sales amount is nothing but the cash price which we have calculated. So that is sales account 1/1/2015 to sales account, that is nothing but cash price which we are calculated 2,72,000 rupees. So 31st/12/2015 to interest suspense account. So we have calculated interest suspense also 40,980. So come back to the credit side. On 1/1/2015 by bank account. So how much down payment we have made? 73,400. Enter it directly. Then on 31st/12/2015 by bank account, that is first installment. How much? 79,860 rupees. Clear? 79,860 rupees which includes interest. So on the same day 31st/12/2015 by balance carried down will be 1,59,720. So on the debit side on 31st/12/2016 to balance brought down 1,59,720. So 1,59,720 is the balance brought down. So on 31st/12/2016 on the credit side by bank account 79,860 rupees which includes interest. On the same date 31st/12/2016 by balance carried down will be 79,860. So next year on the debit side 31st/12/2017 to balance brought down 79,860. 1/1/2017 by bank account 79,860 rupees. So there is no any money left for carried down or brought down. So we are done with the Shivraj account, the ledger account on Shivraj. So which is again easier. Only you are supposed to do or you will get confusion while doing a table. So you must have a clarity over it. So next is interest suspense account. So we have calculated the interest already. So interest suspense account. So this is also will start from the credit side, because it is an interest suspense account. On 1/1/2015, by Shivraj account 40,980 rupees. So that is interest suspense account credit balance. Okay, 40,980 rupees Shivraj account. So then 31st/12/2015 two interest account. So how much is the first year interest? 19,860. Two balance carried down. Find the difference. 40,980 minus 19,860. Balance carried down will be 21,120. So now both the side total is 40,980, 40,980. So on 1/1/2016, debit credit side by balance brought down 21,120 rupees. So 31st/12/2016, two interest account 13,860. Two balance carried down 7,260. Both the side total 21,120, 21,120. So on the credit side, 1/1/2017, by balance brought down 7,260. So on 31st/12/2017, two balance brought down. So that is amount which we are supposed to give it. So that interest account is 7,260. So that is third year interest 7,260. So on 1/1/2017, by balance brought down 7,260. So two interest account, that is 31st/12/2017, that is 7,260 is a two interest account. So we have done with the both the ledger account, that is Shivraj account, and interest suspense account. So we are done with this problem. So moving further with the next problem, I'll be coming up with one more video very shortly. Until then, bye bye, take care, see you.